Hey guys, this is Tint and today we're gonna learn scanner class in Java. So what is the scanner class? It will take the input in the console. So let's see the example. So here I'm creating the object of scanner class, right? So this is important. You need to understand. So I'm making the video on scanner. So this is the object scanner my scan and I'm creating the object of scanner new scanner, and it will take a one parameter, right? So the system dot in, right? And scanner has done. So scanner and make it static, right? We will see also what is the static in a Java. So wait, right? So scanner I have imported, it will automatically imported the scanner class, right? So let's see the example system dot out dot println, right? And let's type the message, right? So we can show the message to the user. Type your name, right? Type your name and hit enter, and let's call the method of scanner. So scanner my scan, this is the object, and call the method which is next line. So it will take a string type of data, whatever user type, but that should be a string, right? So I am storing this data in a string, right? So if you wanted to store the integer, if you wanted to type integer type of data, right? So just type int and just replace string to int, right? So it will take a integer type of data, right? So let's remove this message and type enter number, right? And enter your age and enter whatever, right? So let's again replace string name and next line. So this is pretty easy, right? So let's type a comment so you can understand what scanner exactly do. So this will take a string type of data, right? And if you want to store the float type of data, I mean integer type and float type, you just type next int next float, right? Next sort, something like, right? So you just replace int, right? So it will take a user can type a integer type of data, right? So if you want to user type float, right? Decimal type of data is type of float, next float. So it will take a float type of data, right? If you don't know what is the data type, you can watch my previous video. There I have shown what is the data types, right? So let's replace again next line, because we are typing we want to a username, right? User can type a name, so just replace to string, right? And just here also. So what next thing, just copy and paste it here, and just replace the name. Your name is whatever user type his and her name, and just name it here, right? So it will show your name is this one, your name is Stint, your name is whatever. Just run and it will ask type your name, right? So let's type Stint and it will show your name is Stint. So I have shown scanner class. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and share with your friends and family. So thanks, bye, take care.